What I have today is the 2014 Mercedes-Benz ML63 AMG. Strong and sturdy underneath, the M-Class is smooth on every surface, much like the way it moves. Refined aerodynamics enhance its stable handling and quiet comfort. Brilliant details hint at its innovative luxury, from its glistening chrome accents to its LED lighting. Bi-xenon headlamps with integrated LED daytime running lamp and the retractable headlight washer. Here is the bright white LED daytime running light. Performance Q dominate a powerful front end with a deep front air dam whose mass intakes feed vital air into the engine, intercooler and cooling system for the engine and transmission oil. A matte chrome strip underscore the air dam, highlight the LED daytime running lamp, and draw the eye to the widened front fender and the AMG side sills. The ML63 AMG also features front camera and park assist built into the front bumper, the Mercedes star logo with Distronic built into the logo, and here is the triple chrome bar grille. This particular model comes with the upgraded 21-inch AMG twin 5-spoke wheels, offer even more athletic performance, and behind the wheel is the red painted brake calipers, a visual tribute to the heat they so effectively shed during high-performance braking. Red painted brake caliper lure the eyes to the racing-derived AMG brakes. Brushed aluminum running boards with rubber studs. Stylish and functional running boards ease your entry and exit while providing a rugged element of design as well as distinctive LED lighting for better nighttime visibility. Grippy rubber studs dot the running boards for a surer steps even in inclement weather. Side view mirror with integrated LED signal light. V8 bi-turbo ambo. Here is another look of the side of the ML63 AMG. The back of the ML63 offers many chrome accenting trim, like the chrome trim along the liftgate, chrome plate located on top of the rear bumper, where the liftgate opens, as well as the chrome exhaust tips, and the chrome accenting trim right under the rear diffuser, which is an eye-catcher. Here is the LED tail lamp with fiber optic effect, LED turn signal lamp, and LED brake lamp. On top, you can see the aluminum roof rails, slick and purposeful. The roof rail accommodates a variety of available accessory attachments for carrying bike, surfboard, skis, snowboards, and cargo carriers. At the bottom, you find the quad chrome AMG Sport exhaust. The AMG Sport exhaust system not only enhances performance, but also generates the characteristic V8 sound. A pleasingly subtle exhaust note assures relaxed, quiet cruising, while acceleration and higher rev are accompanied by a rewardingly throaty growl from the four polished chrome tailpipes. A tri-metallic coating in the catalytic converter helps them reach peak cleansing effectiveness more rapidly after a cold start for more efficient emission control with superior long-term durability. Here is another look at the 21-inch AMG double-spoke wheels. Behind the wheel is the large brake with 6-piston caliber for faster stopping. Also comes with the black AMG lettering on both front and rear calipers. The exterior is known as diamond white metallic. The interior features black AMG leather seats with white contrast stitching, black on the dash as well as the door panels with brown satin ash wood trim. Here is a closer look at the AMG Sport seats. Both front and rear seats are perforated. Driver and passenger seats thus offer heated and ventilated options. The extraordinary craftsmanship of the signal leather upholstery offers refinement on par with the vehicle performance. It's fitted by hand to the deeply contoured sport front seats as well as the rear seats. Here is the AMG illuminated door sill, AMG floor mat, and AMG sports pedal. All four windows are fully automatic with 3-position memory seating and Harman Kardon sound system. trunk release button. Very nice contrast stitching on the door panels. The AMG Performance steering wheel is wrapped in Nappa leather with dynamic side grips and flattened top and bottom section, featuring tilt and telescopic steering column and multi-function control side by side for your convenience. Behind the steering wheel is a set of paddle shifter for a more aggressive ride. And here's the gearbox, up for reverse, down for neutral, down again for drive. And over here we have the light controlled, driver side air vent. Alright, let's look at the dash. Here we have the large LCD screen, multimedia controlled, dual climate controlled, ashtray and a cigarette lighter, dual cup holder for driver and passenger. Here's the control to your multimedia screen, center storage compartment with USB and auxiliary input, glove box compartment, again here's a closer look at the seat. Beautiful AMG sport seats. Alright, up here we have the light controlled, one touch open and close moonroof, sunglasses holder. Here we have the Mercedes emergency assistance, sun visor mirror with a card holder. Alright, let's look at the back. The back is pretty spacious and have seats for 3 adult. Alright, the back have the same feature as the front. Beautiful AMG seat with perforated seat, AMG floor mat, rear seat pocket, and 2 large TV screen in the back. Very nice and luxury. Here's the armrest with 2 cup holder. Here's a look to the front cabin. Beautiful. Now this particular model comes with the AMG Performance package, which comes with the red brake caliper, top speed raised to 174 miles per hour, AMG Performance steering wheel with dynamic hand grip. The standard version of the ML63 comes with 518 horsepower, 5.5 liter bi-turbo V8 engine. Since this one comes with the AMG Performance package, it boasts the horsepower up to 550 horsepower and 560 pound-feet of torque. A lot of horsepower for this particular SUV. Also comes with the carbon fiber engine cover. The ML63 offers a tremendous amount of cargo space. It offers 80.3 cubic feet of cargo space with 60-40 split rear seat folded, flip forward seat cushion assure a truly flat, fully carpet cargo floor, floor mounted tie down and side partial net, and a 12-volt power outlet add to its convenience. One touch close button. Alright guys, that is it for today's review. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and I'll see you guys next time.